Oh, there's even the ice cream. Look at this. Camera. And then this another special promotion. The channel read Beauty Mandarin. Oh, the name is quite homemade. It's actually quite catchy. Noted more crowd than the last time I came here. But it's like kind of narrow. If you're trying to walk in groups of your family, we walk side by side, 2 persons, or just add another kid, that's the maximum. Greetings from Singapore. I'm right now at the Cathay, opposite the Dhoby Ghaut MRT station. I heard there's a Sheng Siong that's newly open at the basement. I think in fact it has been open for like a few months. I'm here to check it out, so let's go. Now, generally it's a nice place with a Starbucks, some restaurants, and the Sheng Siong is just at the basement, but there's another food court. Here we are at the doorstep of Sheng Siong, right here at the Cathay. There's self-automated checkout machines. Now they're having some promotion of Van Houten chocolates, and the red color is the discounted price, original price, the red color one. Even the coffee have some discount, go for $12.95 data rate. Yes, very good. And even the 100 plus, $3 for $2.45. And then this another special promotion. The channel read Beauty Mandarin. Oh, the name is quite homemade. It's actually quite catchy. It means red beauty. Noted more crowd than the last time I came here. But it's like kind of narrow. If you're trying to walk in groups of your family, we walk side by side, 2 persons, or just add another kid, that's the maximum. I'm now at the milk powder section. I noted there are quite a number of discounted items. Just look for the red color tag. Wow, there's at least 5 or 6 here. Sheng Siong is very well established in Singapore as a supermarket. There are so many branches and outlets in North Singapore, South, East, Central, and right now in Orchard. It's like incredible, right? Because Orchard Road is an area where it's well known for the Singapore shopping, but then suddenly there's a Sheng Siong here that Singaporeans are not really used to it initially, but now they are getting more used to it now. So you see how crowded it can be. I mean, it's just very enough space for 3 persons side by side, or even just 2. If you need some facial products, please come to this branch. I see so many discounted products. Facial cleanser, like the men's berry facial wash for $8, original price $10, and so much more here. Wow, and the same goes for shampoo, sunsilk. So many discounted items. So this time around, I see many discounted items. I remember I came here the first time, like in July, I did a small video. But then there wasn't many discounted items. Now it's like they're getting more, even for the chili and garlic. Wow, there's even the ice cream. Look at this. Camera and the Haagen-Dazs. Oh, this is actually quite big. Of course, here will not have so many shoppers compared to the neighborhood areas. Buy 2 of these and you get a cooler bag. Oh, there's a seafood section. Wow, there's the medicine and syrups, Panadol, chicken essence, whatness. If you enjoyed the video so far, give a like and subscribe so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. And this will be the food section. Whoa, look at the watermelon, strawberry. There's a grab and go, and you can microwave the food. Let's say you buy pad thai, right? Oh, it's a bit hard to take out, but it's okay. Then after you pay, right, turn to this microwave and microwave it, and they give you the free cutlery, plastic knife, and the fork and spoon. And not only that, they give you the tissue